Hello everybody and welcome from the lab once again. This is Jay ePO from beautiful, well, not so beautiful, sunny Florida, which is actually cloudy today. I'm getting gypped. Listen, today we're going to show you how to use performance counters for ePO. And the best way, as you know I like to show you, is to, let's get in here and look at it. So this is the ePO server, and we're going to go down and choose the start button, which is just out of the view here. And I'm going to do a run. And I'm going to type in on your ePO server, if you brought up Perfmon, Performance Monitor, might be the first time you've seen this before. A crash course on how to use this is that you click on the Performance Monitor, it says right here on the left, and then click the plus sign. And again, this is on the ePO server. And I'm going to scroll up to look for ePolicy Orchestrator, but you notice I don't see it. I'm going to go down here once again to the lower left-hand corner. I'm going to right-click and choose Run MMC/32 for 32 bits. Perfmon.msc, Microsoft Console. Look at what looks like Performance Monitor that we had before, except this is the 32-bit version. We're going to choose the Performance Monitor and click the plus sign once again. And now when we scroll up here to the top, we're going to see ePolicy Orchestrator Server. And then after I highlight that, I'm going to choose the Add button, and you'll see it over here on the Added Counters column. Go ahead and choose OK. We'll break this full screen so you can really see it well. This is a nice thing to run when you're trying to see what's going on, at least on the ePO server itself. Now, you may have problems on the SQL side, but this will tell you what's going on up in the front end. So now what I'm going to do is up here in the upper left-hand corner, I can click on this button, and you'll see that I get rid of this column. Over here, Properties, Printer, and then slide over here and we have view the current activity, view the log data, change the graph type. Let's go ahead and change the graph type to report. And now I have a real-time counter telling me what's happening with the event parser threads. It's telling me about data channel, all my things dealing with drive encryption, so on and so forth. Another view that might be a little bit more interesting to look at will be the histogram bar. Now I get to see everything in real time, changing with color codes. So for those of you who would like to be entertained with color codes, this is for you. And then you scroll down here and it'll show you all of the different things that are going on. That's it. Hopefully this will provide some insight as to how your ePO server is behaving. And from the lab, I'm Jay. Have a great day.